Green greetings. This is Ayush Garg from FutureCo Ventures LLP, and today we are joining hands with Quantum Papers Limited to plant 500 trees of hope in the border of Chandigarh IT Park and Saketri Panchkula. As far as you can see, this road, across the road and the road there, we have planted about 500 trees and we will be maintaining them for the years to come. So we not only plant trees but help them sustain. We have planted varieties of champa, chakrasiya, silver oak and ficus to enlighten and make this area green and clean.
Breathe, plant a tree. Don't destroy the greenery.
Don't spoil the scenery.
On an average, each tree absorbs 25 kgs of carbon dioxide. So by planting 500 trees, we have offset around 12,500 kilograms of carbon dioxide from this earth.
I think this is a wonderful initiative that we're doing, and this is also something that is a need of the hour. We've seen so much deforestation happening lately, and this is something that my family and company have all wanted to do for a while. So I think this is just a collaboration of all our efforts to create a greener planet for the future.
Plant a tree.
Plant a hope.
We have been involved in planting about 3,000 trees in the last 1 month. Idea is not only to plant a tree but protect it also for at least a period of 1 year so that it grows to that extent that it can sustain itself.
The future is in our hands. Let's take a stand to preserve the land.
पेड़ लगाओ पर्यावरण बचाओ आज जोड़ के प्रार्थना है.
Today we are here to plant 500 trees of hope. But सोचो अगर हम इतने trees लगे होते ऑलरेडी तो हम उनकी shade में खड़े होते. So we feel the importance of trees when we are out there in the nature, out of our offices. So today we are planting 4 species of trees. First is champa, and it's a beautiful flowering plant. In the season you will see all the white flowers. The rest of the trees, ficus and silver oak, are very low maintenance trees.
जहाँ हरियाली
आपको ऐसे एक्टिविटीज जरूर अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए और इनिशिएट भी करना चाहिए so that we can save our environment.
It feels really good to be with the nature and do something for the nature and Mother Earth.
एज पेरेंट्स हम अक्सर कोशिश करते हैं कि अपने बच्चों को बेस्ट दे सकें. वी ट्राई टू गिव देम द बेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट सो दैट दे कैन बी नरिश्ड एंड दे ग्रो इन द बेस्ट वे दे कैन. बट जो ट्रीज, जो प्लांट्स हमारे बच्चों का ख्याल रखते हैं, we fail to do our best for them. And I'm really happy that new corporates every now and then are joining the green team. I express my heartfelt gratitude to the team of Quantum, the paper makers, for coming here this afternoon in such scorching heat and the humidity to take part in this revolution and create a greener tomorrow.
Who are we?
Eco Warriors.
What we do?
Protect the planet.
So if you like our initiatives and if you want to be a part of the green team, read the description below. Thank you and be an Eco Warrior.